Hello everyone, welcome to the world of TriOOHMusic. Today we're going skiing at Big Snow, the largest and
Today
the only
is like
one.
The soccer game.
The only one, right? Yeah, the soccer game, right.
The soccer
The traffic is like so bad, right?
Yeah.
Anyways, we're skiing at this fancy place today. That's our daily life. We really like skiing every day, right, Jyson? And Siwan, yes? And of course, yes, for me. Yeah, I love it. See these two kids.
This is like the most good time for skiing. Traffic
Right?
time.
Let's take a look. See? It's so fancy, right? And everywhere.
It's the only indoor skiing place.
It's the only indoor place in the US, yes. These guys, they love skiing a lot, right? Yes, of course. Let's have fun. Alright guys, today is TriOOHMusic skiing day. As you can see, we are here at the Big Snow again. Okay, let's see how Siwan is going to teach Jyson. Yes, you want to teach Jyson?
Yes.
You want to get it? Yes, right? Yeah. Yeah. See guys, Siwan is teaching Jyson how to ski. She's a good teacher. Yes. Good. Yes, help each other. Yes. Jyson is doing that intentionally, by the way. Yes, Siwan is a very good teacher. good teacher. Go, go, go. Yes. Let's go. Alright, I'm pretty sure like there's a match today, right? Let's see, you know? Yes, a lot of like very professional players are here. You want to try it, Siwan?
Yeah, tell you.
You're close to the point, Siwan. Are you excited? Yes? Good. Siwan is very close to the point. Yes, right? Are you ready, Siwan? Oh, it's here. Yes, Siwan is here. Yay! Yay! Give me 5. You're the winner. Eat it. Alright guys, as you all know, Swan was just in the racing competition. Congratulations, Swan. I think you're winning. You're the winner.
Yes!
Yes. Look at here. These guys are having a lot of fun, right? You guys have a lot of fun? Yes. What do you guys are making? Wow.